Hi, I'm Adam Riley, and I'm here to solve Preppin Data 2024 Week 19 in the Enso product with you. So Week 19 is another data school takeover challenge. We've got some more, would you believe it, dirty data in Excel. So again, I've already downloaded the input file, so we can start with the data read component and go out to that file on this. So here's that XLSX file. And again, we can see from the instructions, this is another Excel file that's got 5 sheets in it. So we can take advantage of the brand new read many functionality. Just going to read all of the sheets in and union them together. So what have we got? So we'll notice we have a header row. So I can select as headers up here, bringing the sheet name in here. We've got the Q1 sales profit. Okay, it's got a lot of nothing rows in, so that's some end of the data isn't marked correctly in Excel. So I'll just filter those out with a filter component. So do where a not nothing. Okay, so this is better. So now we've got 20 rows. Um, so that's got us do the first 2 steps, input the data, union the table together. So now we want to remove the units from the sales field, convert the data type to the whole number. Okay, so we've got these Ks and Ms, presumably thousands and millions. We need to clean up these 2 fields. Okay, so first I'm going to rename those 2 columns. Just keep the data clean while we're working. So sheet name, that is year, and a column that's come in as A is the bottom. Great. And then, because I want to apply some of the same suited operations to both of these columns, I'm going to transpose the data around and get them into a single field. So if I bring in the transpose component, key columns here are year and quarter. And then you can see what that does is it flips the data around. So what was sales and profit now become a column, name, and then the values are in the value. So now I can fix up the data in that value field. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new field using the set component. I'm going to write an expression. So quickly, the K means I need to multiply by 1,000. The M means I need to multiply by 1,000,000. So I'm going to create a new field. I'm going to call multiplier. So I'm going to say if contains in the value column a K, then my multiplier is going to be 1,000. I'm just going to copy that. And then if it contains a M, then my multiplier is 1,000,000. Else my multiplier is 1. And I'm going to call that small. Oh, there's a else in my expression there. How's that? Looking good. Okay, so now we've got the multiplier. So next thing to do is turn the value field actually into a number. So at the minute, of course, it's coming as a string. So I can do that with the pass component. And the pass component is clever enough that it will strip out those texts. So if I pass the value field to a float, then we can see, yeah, it's stripped out the K's and the M's. So then next thing to do, let me just close these up as we're working, is to multiply that pass value by the multiplier field. So again, it's another set component for this. Yeah, I'll do it with expression. So it's value times by mult. And if I do update the value field on that, so there we go. So that's looking good. And then the last thing to do is to aggregate the sales by profit and year. So now I need to get the sales and profit back to the column header. So I can reverse what I did earlier with the transfers using the cost tab. And at the same time, I can actually aggregate across the year. So if I bring in my cost tab component, we want to group by year, the name, the name column conveniently. And then the values, we want to sum the value column. And that should be the answer. So just comparing what they've got there. Yep, looks good. So that's the entire workflow. Open data, week 19, solved in Enso. Thank you for watching.